Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we get into the shave, I want to remind everybody that this video is brought to you in part by Grown Man Shave. For a 10% discount, go ahead and use the code TheTravelingShaver. That'll give you 10% off your entire order. Now, onto the gear for the shave. I'll be using Barrister and Man, the full measure of man. This is on the Excelsior base. Now, I was talking to Matt over at Teton Shave, and he said that smells like peanut butter to him. I don't get peanut butter. I get the tobacco and the mousse hacks and just awesomeness. Yeah, awesomeness. Dang good scent. Really dig this one. The brush this evening is going to be the HC&C Black Handle synthetic. Really nice brush. Whipped up in the copper Captain Choice bowl. And I'm going with the Karve G plate with a 30 use PAA Platinum Strangelet. Really excellent blade. And then I also have, although I have used a soap before, I picked this up at Grown Man Shave. That is the matching splash. You can see still has the cellophane on it, whatever that is. Shrink wrap stuff. So, love the scent. I didn't initially get the splash because I wasn't sure if I'd like the scent or not. But then I was placing an order at Grown Man Shave and saw that they had it in stock. So I jumped at it. Because it is just a beautiful tobacco scent. Not peanut butter. Sorry, Matt. Oh, man, this is beautiful. I see why people like DK put this in one of their top scents of, I think, last year. I think it was last year. I don't know. I know DK really likes this one. And I have to agree. It's fantastic. All right, put the brush aside. Since I'm using a DE tonight, I figured after commissary head shave, go easy, go with the DE. But still, it's a G plate on the Karve. Oh, this is beautiful. I mentioned this is in the Excelsior base. I know it is available now in the Omnibus. But I like Omnibus a lot. I think it is a phenomenal base. But I still like Excelsior. I have no problems with it. The majority of the soaps that I have from Barrister and Man are in Excelsior. I have Petrichor in Soft Heart coming. I ordered Vespers in Omnibus. And then a bunch of the older stuff, the older seasonals, like Dickens Revisited and Oda Light and Sunny Lane, all coming, all from Grown Man Shave. And those are, I believe those are all in Excelsior. I know Petrichor, I think I'm saying that right, is in Soft Heart. Maybe that was in Soft Heart. I'm pretty sure the other ones are in Excelsior. Maybe they're in the Reserve. I don't know. I have Waves in Reserve. I haven't used it for a little bit. I probably should break it back out again. It's a beautiful scent as well. So I should break out Waves. Another beautiful scent from Barrister Man. I know Barrister Man's very polarizing as far as our scents are concerned. I was talking to a couple of people up at the Northwest Wetshavers meetup about various scents and stuff. And people had soaps they were trying to sell or trade or, you know, whatever. And a couple from Barrister Man. One of them was Hallows. And I wanted to smell it because I heard it was just awful. So, smelled Hallows. I quite enjoyed it. Not a bad scent. So we were talking about various artisans and scents. And I mentioned, you know, one thing that Will does, Will at Barrister Man, is he makes scents that he wants to make. He does not play it safe, per se. It's just like, you know, I want to do dead leaves and fall. What does he do? He finds a way to do dead leaves and fall. Does everybody like dead leaves and fall? No. Diamond, he wants to do a baseball parks themed soap. I know a lot of people can't stand Diamond. He does it. So, you know, Will does his own thing, and I gotta respect that. This blade's still going strong. Third use. First use was in my above the tie Calypso. Then I used it in the El Fantasma from PAA and the G plate. And it's still going plenty smooth. Some people might say, yeah, I'm using a Karve. But I'm also using the G plate, which is one of the most aggressive plates they have. And I'm not having any issues. Of course, did I expect any issues with this? It's been a long day, I can't talk. Did I expect any issues with this blade? No. Why? Because it's a dang good blade. Getting really close. We check start with the G plate. Really nice shave. Seals here whipped up exceptionally easily in the Captain's Choice bowl. Which, the Captain's Choice bowl isn't bad. I've used it for years. But I still like the Hendrix bowl a little bit better. But Captain's Choice is a nice, solid bowl. I try to use them equally. Broke out the Captain's Choice tonight because, honestly, look at that label. And the Karve, because why not? Kind of matches. So, anyway, that was a fantastic shave. And one thing that you do need to keep in mind with Barrister Man, like a lot of the artisan soaps out there, is it is fairly thirsty. It takes a good amount of water. Drain that soap here. But you want that water to help moisturize your whiskers, to kind of plump them up and soften them up to make it easier to cut. So a thirsty soap is not a bad thing. It's nice to have thirsty soap. Something else is if you're newer to wet shaving, after you're done with your shave and you're drying off your face, don't rub it, pat it dry. All right, I'm gonna forego the witch hazel tonight. We're just gonna go right into the splash. And again, round bottles. I hate round bottles. I'm not a fan at all. If I can get the stupid thing off, I thought I could just twist it and get that little, break the seal. There we go. Nice restrictor in it. There. See, first use of Barrister & Mann's 3.5 fluid ounces full measure of man. Nice restrictor. Ooh, that came out nice. It does come out a little bit slowly, so it's not bad. Oh man. Okay. All right, Matt, Teton. I can see how you get the peanut butter if you had the splash. I get it. Though I don't get that on the soap. I get it from the splash. Now let's do that little dry down. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you were right. It smells like peanut butter, at least to me a little bit. But it's probably the sandalwood playing with the mousse de sacs. Okay, now I'm getting a little bit more of that tobacco. Yeah, the tobacco's come through a bit more now. Still not bad. All right, that was an excellent shave. That blade, still going strong. There's zero tugging on the against the grain pass. That was the third use, and I did one pass on my head with it when I used this razor as well, just the other night. So that's, what's that, 3.5 uses on the blade. And with the G, maybe you can see, I'm not gonna focus on there, but there's a good amount of exposure and a good gap with that G plate. So it's very efficient. A lot of blade feel, but still super comfortable. Yeah. Barrister & Mann Excelsior, phenomenal base. PAA, the Platinum Stringlet, phenomenal blade. I ordered some, have some coming in tomorrow, today, the day you're seeing this. But man, great shave. Anyway, Barrister & Mann in Excelsior is now also available in Omnibus. Great scent. First time using the splash. Round bottle, again, hate round bottles. It is alcohol based. I do see how people can get that peanut butter type note from this. I still enjoy it. Everything whipped up in the copper Captain Choice bowl with the Hendrix brush, mostly because this is one of the only fully black synthetic brushes I own. And it kind of plays with the label. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for this shave. Thank you all for tuning in. And again, for a 10% discount, check out Grown Man Shave with the Traveling Shaver as your code. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you all next time.